In a home invasion, Guam law legally protects you when defending yourself inside your house. But confronting an intruder on your driveway, yard, or even your porch, as in one 2016 case, could leave you criminally liable for using excessive force.
This was important in the Guam Supreme Court's analysis in the People v. John because the incident in question happened on a porch. As a porch was outside the habitable property, the Guam Supreme Court opined that castle doctrine did not apply.
Senator Will Parkinson pushing for castle doctrine reform through Bill 39, as the law currently excludes outdoor spaces and areas surrounding the home itself as habitable property.
Bill 39-37 makes sure that the law remains on the side of the homeowner or resident defending their home and not the intruders invading their inhabited space.
On the other hand, Senator Sabina Perez recalling what she calls the unwitting victims of the stand your ground law, urging her colleagues to be cautious of expanding the castle doctrine.
In particular, I recall a mother in which the friend was shot by another friend, and so this friend was always at the house, and they were welcomed as part of the family, but something happened and it ended up in his death.
Perez also raising concerns that the bill's content would make it harder for the courts to adjudicate properly if an incident was self-defense or for another reason. Meantime, Senator Tom Fisher also making an amendment to Bill 39 to include the enclosure of property or reasonable notice of boundaries to avoid accidental shootings, a suggestion met with strong feedback from Senator Joe San Augustine.
The thieves know the boundaries, but they don't care because their intent is to steal. Their intent is to hurt. And the people of Guam are reaching a point where they're actually quite tired of that.
Still, Fisher doubling down on his reasoning.
The aspect of, innocent teenage boys going after pigs or something, and, traveling across property, and then I got a, cranky old dude with a rifle, and he takes pot shots at him, and I'd want that, I want to prevent that in some way, and I think we can do it.
Ultimately, the almost 3-hour-long discussion on the bill resulted in a failed motion to get it placed on the third reading file.